Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Got my tools, a steady hand, finest turkey in the land. I grind a humming, sawdust just flying. This perfect carve, I'm truly trying. Feathers flying, dust in air, but a masterpiece beyond compare. Oh, grinding that turkey slow and true. Every curve a dream come true. It's taking forever, but I don't mind. This feathered friend, one of a kind, to a finish so smooth, so grand. Best darn bird in all the land. Yeah. Hours pass, my back is sore. Think I'll nap right on the floor, but then a furry four-legged sigh. My loyal dog with sleepy eye. A quick snooze, a gentle snore, then back to work and wanting more. Renewed spirit, fresh and keen, for the best turkey ever seen. Oh, grinding that turkey slow and true. Every curve a dream come true. It's taking forever, but I don't mind. This feathered friend, one of a kind, to a finish so smooth, so grand. Best darn bird in all the land. Yeah. Now the torch, a gentle flame, burning fuzzies, hot, hot flame. Edges dark and smooth and neat, ready for paint. Oh, what a treat! From rough and raw to art so fine, this turkey tom truly divine.